Holiday Bake Sale fundraiser saw young athletes come together with CDC guidelines during the pandemic, wearing masks and raising funds for the federation's programs and to encourage more to partake in the sport. We have tonight some highlights from the Holiday Bake Sale fundraiser of the Mallakhambh Federation, where several athletes demonstrated the sport. Here is the story.
Kingani. The bake sale is about having a fundraiser where we bake and we we save money so we can get a crash mat.
Hi, my name is Jayadevan Atta. I am one of the coaches at Mallakhambh Federation. Today is a special day for Christmas. We are doing a bake sale and a raffle to support Mallakhambh Federation, and I am happy to be a volunteer for this bake sale. And I am asking anyone who is interested to support Mallakhambh to donate generously or come to 216 Tingley Lane on 25th, 27th, 1st and 3rd in the evening time and purchase products and help Mallakhambh raise funds. I am very proud to support Mallakhambh Federation with all the coaches to help fitness to our kids. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Shreya Patankar. Mallakhambh was from the 16th century, and it also is a mix of martial arts, yoga, and gymnastics.
My name is Amaya Chaudhary, and I do roller skating, and Mallakhambh helps me a lot with that.
My name is Sharvi, and Mallakhambh really helps you with your flexibility.
Hey, this is Gaurav Kulkarni here. I'm one of the coaches. So Mallakhambh is one of the oldest sport which was invented in Maharashtra, and now it's spread globally across the world. In USA, we have multiple branches where we teach Mallakhambh. It was incepted back in 2014 in Edison, and now we have multiple locations across New Jersey as well as United States. So today, what we are doing is today on the eve of 25th of December, we are having bake sale wherein we are trying to sell some bakery products so that we can raise the funds to get some instruments for us, and today's aim is to get a crash mat. So we really appreciate all your support and encouragement to promote this wonderful sports. Thank you, and signing off from New Jersey Edison. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dean Jaydevan, and there are three types of Mallakhambh. There's the hanging pole, there is a tall pole, and there is a rope.
My name is Shlok Chaudhary, and Mallakhambh also gives you mental strength. So because it could help you get over the fear of heights and more stuff.
My name is Rucha Kulkarni, and Mallakhambh gives maximum exercise in minimum time.
I have learned Mallakhambh and I've really enjoyed it.
Hello everyone, thank you to ITV Gold for coming out here and covering our event today. So we, as you can see in the background, we have a lot of baked goods. Our young athletes here at Mallakhambh Federation of USA in our Edison Center and their parents actually have baked these goods. We are trying to spread some holiday cheer, and the kids are enjoying. They're playing some games, and basically, as some of you may know, Mallakhambh Federation of USA is an organization that is promoting the sport of Mallakhambh outside India. We have 7 centers across the USA, and we are trying to grow. We are looking to do a world championship in 2022, and we'll be looking for all your help and support then. Right now, this bake sale that you see here behind me is going to help the center to purchase some safety equipment that we are in need of. So thanks to all the kids and the parents for coming out and supporting us, and thank you to ITV Gold once again.
My name is Apurva, Apurva, and I also want to give, this isn't possible without our coaches, so I just want to say thank you to our coaches.
Hi, I'm Tejasvi and I'm here to learn Mallakhamb. Mallakhamb is really fun because you get to learn a lot of new skills.
Hi, my name is Ansh, and I just have to say that I really like Mallakhamb, and I really enjoy it because of the new skills.